This is an important little video about turning your driver's seat. If you don't have your seat adjusted properly, you can catch the handbrake. So when we're spinning this around, you can see that the seat is going to catch the handbrake. If it does catch, it can push the handbrake over and it can damage these panels here. The best thing to do when you get seat in this position, adjust the seat, pull it forward and then spin it all the way around. Then adjust it to suit your position when you've got it turned. When you're going to put it back to the driving position, again, be really aware. It's when you come round here and it's not adjusted right, it can catch and push it that way. It is just a case of taking your seat and moving it forward and backwards. And once it's back in the driver's position, it will lock. And then again, you can adjust it to your driving position.